Now we will discuss pre-event activities and planning. Introduction. Event activities are defined as all those activities which are performed to plan and conduct an event. Embarking on the intricate journey of event planning, success becomes a harmonious symphony of meticulous pre-event activities at most initial stage, which should be at least 3 to 4 months. These preparatory stages serve as the crucible where the essence of a memorable event is forged, each element contributing to the tapestry of a seamless and impactful experience for attendees. In this comprehensive exploration, we delve into the profound reasons that render pre-event activities indispensable for the triumph of any occasion. From the strategic development of a comprehensive plan to the advanced preparation that anticipates every need and the artful orchestration of elements setting the stage for excellence, each step is a vital note in the prelude to event success. As we navigate through the top 10 decisive steps, we unravel the intricacies of event planning, recognizing its transformative power to elevate gatherings into unforgettable experiences. Here are the strategic blueprints and pre-event steps that culminate in events leaving an indelible mark on the participants. Comprehensive strategy development, charting the course for success. The cornerstone of a successful event lies in the meticulous crafting of a comprehensive strategy. This strategic blueprint serves as the navigational chart, guiding event organizers through the multifaceted journey of conceptualization, planning, and execution. At its core, strategy development involves answering pivotal questions that lay the groundwork for a triumphant event. What is the primary purpose of the event? Who is the target audience? What theme will best resonate with the attendees? When and where will the event take place? Answering these questions ensures that the event's purpose is clearly defined and aligned with the expectations of the organizers and the anticipated audience. The chosen theme becomes the narrative thread that ties together every aspect of the event, from decorations to speakers' topics. The date and venue, meticulously selected during this strategic phase, play a pivotal role in setting the tone and maximizing attendance. In a sense, comprehensive strategy development is akin to creating a roadmap that provides clarity on the event's direction, empowering organizers to navigate challenges and unexpected turns with confidence. This continued development process for diverse perspectives and strategic approach acts as a proactive measure to minimize the likelihoods of issues during the event. By foreseeing potential challenges and addressing them in the planning stages, organizers create a resilient foundation that can withstand the dynamic nature of events. A well-crafted strategy is not a static document. It evolves with the planning process, adapting to new information, constant feedback, and readiness for unforeseen circumstances. Ultimately, it serves as the guiding force that ensures the event stays true to its objectives and delivers an enriching experience to all involved. Advanced preparation, anticipating needs for a seamless execution. The success of an event hinges on advanced preparation, a phase where organizers meticulously ensure that all the necessary elements are in place well before the event date. Drawing parallels to preparing for a journey, event organizers become akin to seasoned travelers, leaving no room for oversights in their quest for a flawless execution. This preparatory phase involves three crucial elements: financial readiness, securing essential supplies, and assembling a skilled and well-trained team. Financial readiness is paramount in ensuring that the event has the necessary resources to unfold seamlessly. Organizers delve into estimating the budget required for various aspects of the event, including venue costs, catering, equipment, marketing materials, and more. A detailed financial plan provides clarity on costs and aids in effective financial management throughout the planning and execution stages. Adequate financial resources not only prevent last minute financial hiccups but also allow for strategic investments that enhance the overall event experience. Securing essential supplies is the logistical backbone of advanced preparation. From name tags to audiovisual equipment, each element is scrutinized to ensure it aligns with the event's requirements. Organizers must foresee the needs of attendees and speakers, ensuring that the event space is equipped to handle diverse scenarios. This proactive approach minimizes the chances of on the day surprises and contributes to a well executed event. Assembling a skilled and well trained team is the human factor that adds a layer of excellence to advanced preparation. Team members are assigned roles based on their expertise, and a collaborative approach ensures that every detail is accounted for. Training sessions prepare the team for potential scenarios, fostering adaptability and problem solving skills. In essence, advanced preparation is a holistic endeavor that considers financial, logistical, and human elements, setting the stage for a smooth and impactful execution. Addressing all pre-event questions before time ensures that the event's purpose is clearly defined and aligned with the expectations of the organizers and the anticipated audience. The chosen theme becomes the narrative thread that ties together every aspect of the event, from decorations to speakers' topics. The date and venue, meticulously selected during this strategic phase, play a pivotal role in setting the tone and maximizing attendance. In essence, comprehensive strategy development is akin to creating a roadmap that provides clarity on the event's direction, empowering organizers to navigate challenges and unexpected turns with confidence. This strategic approach acts as a proactive measure to minimize the likelihood of issues during the event. It also involves conducting a risk analysis to identify potential challenges and mitigate them proactively. By foreseeing potential challenges and addressing them in the planning stages, organizers create a resilient foundation that can withstand the dynamic nature of events. A well crafted strategy is not a static document, it evolves with the planning process, adapting to new information and unforeseen circumstances. Ultimately, it serves as the guiding force that ensures the event stays true to its objectives and delivers an enriching experience to all involved. Pre-event activities can be aptly compared to the meticulous preparation involved in setting the stage for a captivating theatrical production. While some may underestimate their importance, astute event organizers recognize that these activities are the linchpin of overall event success. The intricate process of selecting the best actors, creating a captivating set, and detailed planning all find parallels in the pre-event phase. The goal is not just to organize an event, but to curate an immersive experience that resonates with attendees, ensuring their satisfaction and crafting a memorable event narrative. In the realm of event planning, selecting the best on-stage people translates into securing engaging speakers, presenters, and entertainers. This involves a thoughtful process of vetting potential contributors based on their relevance to the event's theme, expertise, and appeal to the target audience. The lineup becomes a crucial component in creating an event that not only meets its objectives but leaves a lasting impact on the attendees. Creating a captivating set is the visual and thematic identity of the event. This involves branding activities that go beyond logos and taglines, extending to the creation of an event website, promotional materials, and a cohesive visual language. The set becomes the backdrop against which the event unfolds, contributing to its overall appeal and leaving a lasting impression on attendees. Meticulous planning completes the trifecta of setting the stage for excellence. This involves detailed coordination of activities from registration processes to the flow of presentations. The timeline is carefully crafted to ensure a smooth progression of events, maximizing engagement and minimizing any disruptions. In essence, setting the stage for excellence is a holistic approach that combines the careful selection of contributors, the creation of a visually appealing identity, and meticulous planning. It's the art of crafting an event that transcends a mere gathering, becoming a memorable experience etched in the minds of attendees. In the initial stages of pre-event preparation, laying a solid foundation is essential for the success of any gathering. These crucial steps set the tone for a seamless execution, ensuring that organizers are well equipped to navigate the intricate landscape of event planning. From defining the event's purpose to carefully selecting a theme and strategically choosing the date and venue, these initial steps serve as the building blocks that shape the entire event experience. Significant pre-event activities: setting goals and objectives, selecting the event date strategically, developing an event master plan, creating a comprehensive event budget, and branding the event and initiating publicity. Arranging sponsorships and speakers, consideration for event management software, launching ticket sales, coordinating with event suppliers, managing event day setup and execution, and evaluating the success of the event. Set your event goals and objectives, a strategic foundation. The inception of event planning is grounded in the strategic establishment of goals and objectives. This involves a meticulous needs analysis to identify the overarching purpose of the event. Delve into the intricacies of each goal, breaking them down into specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound objectives. By setting clear KPIs for each objective, organizers create a robust strategic framework for subsequent planning stages. Understanding the nuances of goal setting ensures that the event's purpose aligns seamlessly with the expectations of organizers and attendees. In setting event goals, it's essential to consider the long-term impact and alignment with the organization's broader objectives. For instance, if the goal is to raise funds, organizers should delve into specific fundraising targets, the allocation of funds to various initiatives, and the potential donor segments to target. This strategic approach ensures that the event becomes a catalyst for achieving overarching organizational goals. Select your event's date, the art of timing. Choosing the optimal event date is a multifaceted process that goes beyond avoiding clashes with local events and major holidays. A comprehensive calendar check involves considering industry specific timelines, potential seasonal influences, and the availability of key stakeholders. Delving into the nuances of date selection ensures that the chosen time frame not only maximizes attendance but also aligns cohesively with the event's overarching objective and theme. The art of timing in event planning becomes a strategic maneuver to capture the attention and participation of the target audience. Considerations for date selection should also encompass weather patterns, especially for outdoor events, regional events that might impact attendance, and even cultural or religious holidays that could affect the availability of participants. By factoring in these elements, organizers can tailor the event date to create the most conducive environment for engagement and attendance. Develop an event master plan, blueprint for success. The event master plan serves as the linchpin, encapsulating the entire life cycle of the event. A more detailed exploration involves breaking down the plan into granular tasks, assigning responsibilities to key personnel, and creating a comprehensive timeline. The master plan becomes a living document that evolves with the planning process, ensuring that every facet of the event, from conceptualization to post event analysis, is meticulously outlined. Delving into the intricacies of each component within the master plan allows organizers to create a roadmap that not only guides the team but also serves as a reference point for seamless coordination. Within the event master plan, each task should be accompanied by detailed timelines, dependencies, and responsible parties. This ensures that every team member understands their role and the interconnectedness of tasks, fostering a collaborative and well coordinated approach. Additionally, contingency plans for unforeseen circumstances should be integrated into the master plan to enhance adaptability during execution. Create an event budget, financial prudence for success. The financial aspect of event planning deserves an in depth examination, emphasizing the meticulous creation of a detailed budget. Beyond a mere listing of expenses, a comprehensive budget delves into forecasting potential revenue streams, considering variables such as room rental, catering, marketing materials, and potential income from ticket sales and sponsorships. A continuous revisitation of the budget throughout the planning process ensures financial alignment and adaptability to evolving circumstances. By understanding the financial intricacies, organizers can make informed decisions, mitigating risks and optimizing resource allocation for a successful event. Budgeting is not just a static document, it's a dynamic tool that necessitates ongoing scrutiny and adjustments. As new information emerges or circumstances change, the budget should be flexible enough to accommodate these variations. An in depth exploration includes strategies for cost saving without compromising the quality of the event and mechanisms for monitoring and controlling expenses throughout the planning and execution phases. Brand your event and begin publicity, crafting a captivating identity. Branding transcends visual elements. It is the essence that defines the event. A deeper exploration involves not only creating an appealing logo and tagline, but also crafting a narrative that resonates with the audience. The development of an event website or dedicated pages becomes an immersive experience where user engagement is seamlessly woven into the fabric of the brand. Initiating publicity activities evolves into a strategic storytelling endeavor, utilizing various channels such as social media, press releases, and partnerships. By understanding the nuances of branding, organizers can create a captivating identity that permeates every aspect of the event, leaving a lasting impression on attendees. Brand development should extend to creating a consistent visual language encompassing color schemes, typography, and graphic elements. This ensures that all promotional materials, from digital platforms to print, maintain a cohesive and recognizable identity. Engaging the target audience through pre-event teasers and behind-the-scenes content on social media becomes an integral part of creating a buzz and generating interest. Arrange sponsorships and speakers for your event. Strategic collaborations. Strategic partnerships with sponsors and speakers are pivotal components of successful events. An in-depth exploration involves not only identifying potential sponsors, but also tailoring proposals that align with the event's goals. The process of securing engaging speakers goes beyond availability, delving into the alignment of their expertise with the event's theme and their resonance with the target audience. Clear expectations, benefits, and deliverables for sponsors and speakers become the cornerstone of fruitful collaborations. Understanding the intricacies of these collaborations enhances the credibility and attractiveness of the event, fostering enduring partnerships. In the sponsorship aspect, it's crucial to establish a tiered structure that offers varying levels of visibility and benefits to sponsors. This ensures that sponsors feel their contributions are valued and receive adequate exposure. For speakers, detailed communication regarding presentation topics, audience demographics, and post-event engagement plans contributes to a seamless and impactful collaboration. Determine if you need other event management software. It's worth looking into an all-in-one solution that can keep everything organized in one place. This kind of software can tackle everything including event marketing, relationship management, project management, and more. Launch ticket sales, transforming interest into attendance. The initiation of ticket sales becomes a strategic maneuver to transform initial interest into tangible attendance. A more detailed exploration involves the implementation of a tiered ticketing system, leveraging early bird options to incentivize prompt registration. The utilization of online platforms for ticket sales goes beyond convenience. It becomes a data-driven approach to tracking and analyzing attendee engagement. Implementing a robust tracking system ensures that organizers can adapt marketing strategies dynamically, maintaining sustained interest and attendance. Delving into the nuances of ticket sales enhances the overall attendee experience and contributes to the success of the event. Beyond the basic ticketing strategy, organizers should consider personalized approaches such as group discounts, VIP packages, or bundled offerings that cater to different attendee preferences. Leveraging analytics from ticket sales provides valuable insights into attendee demographics and preferences, aiding in the refinement of marketing strategies and event logistics. Coordinate with event suppliers, catering, equipment, etc. Seamless execution through collaboration. The seamless execution of an event hinges on effective collaboration with various suppliers. An in-depth examination goes beyond finalizing agreements. It involves establishing clear communication channels and conducting regular check-ins. Coordination with catering services delves into creating diverse and accommodating menus, while collaboration with equipment suppliers ensures that logistical requirements from audio-visual setups to seating arrangements are met seamlessly. By understanding the intricacies of supplier collaboration, organizers create an ecosystem where each component contributes to the cohesive execution of the event, minimizing potential challenges. In supplier coordination, creating a detailed event brief that encompasses specific requirements, timelines, and quality standards ensures that suppliers are aligned with the event's vision. Regular communication channels, possibly through a centralized platform, facilitate quick issue resolution and provide suppliers with real time updates, fostering a collaborative and responsive environment. Manage event day setup and execution, the culmination of planning. The actualization of event plans unfolds on the day of execution, culminating in the seamless setup and management of all planned activities. A detailed exploration involves creating a comprehensive schedule for the day, considering minute by minute details and accounting for potential contingencies. Managing the setup becomes an orchestrated effort involving the event management team, suppliers, and venue staff. The coordination of activities from registration to stage management becomes a meticulous dance that ensures every aspect aligns with the overarching event goals. By understanding the intricacies of event day management, organizers ensure a memorable and impactful experience for attendees. In event day execution, the creation of a dedicated command center or control room facilitates real time issue resolution. Regular check ins with key personnel and suppliers ensure that everyone is synchronized with the event schedule, addressing any unexpected challenges promptly. Post event, a debrief session becomes an integral part of the event day management process, providing insights for future improvements. Evaluate the success of your event, learning for ongoing improvement. Post event evaluation transcends a mere concluding phase. It is a vital component for ongoing improvement. A more detailed exploration involves soliciting feedback through surveys and direct interactions, gathering insights into attendee experiences and expectations. The analysis of key metrics, including attendance numbers, revenue generated, and social media engagement, becomes a comprehensive understanding of the event's impact. Recognizing and appreciating the efforts of the event management team, sponsors, and speakers fosters a culture of collaboration and excellence. Documenting lessons learned and areas for improvement becomes a roadmap for continuous enhancement, ensuring that each successive event builds upon the successes of the previous ones. Beyond attendee feedback, post-event evaluation should involve an internal debrief session with the event management team. This provides an opportunity to identify strengths, areas for improvement, and potential innovations for future events. The analysis of social media sentiment and media coverage contributes to a 360-degree understanding of the event's overall success and areas that require attention. Conclusion. In the orchestration of a successful event, each of the 10 steps assumes a pivotal role, and a deeper exploration of these steps provides a holistic understanding of event planning best practices. From strategic goal setting to meticulous execution and post-event reflection, the journey towards event excellence is a dynamic and iterative process. This comprehensive exploration of each step ensures that event organizers have a nuanced understanding, enabling them to implement best practices that resonate with attendees and leave a lasting impact. As the event landscape evolves, mastering the intricacies of these fundamental steps becomes paramount for those dedicated to delivering memorable and impactful experiences. The art and science of event planning converge in these steps, forming the bedrock of successful events that stand out in the minds of attendees.